packaging, and construction. So Andrew, why would construction contractors use AWP?
Advanced work packaging, or the field level component known as workface planning, is quite simply the most efficient way of executing the construction scope on the job site.
And is workface planning, or WFP, always applied in the same way?
Many of the concepts are the same from contractor to contractor, but we find differences in the methodology that's used. For example, some contractors are still building installation work packages manually, pulling drawings from a stack of printed copies and building IWPs using Microsoft Word and Excel.
Well, that sounds time-consuming and costly.
Absolutely, and that's why we're seeing more and more contractors now using automated tools like O3's on-build solution, which can be used with the three-dimensional model for the project to automatically pull components in and build IWPs right from the model.
But with a tool like O3, are you still required to pull drawings and do manual material takeoffs?
That's the beauty of the tool. The tool can automatically assign drawings, materials. It can even pull an estimate for the IWP directly from the rates you set up for the project.
That certainly sounds much easier and more efficient.
Definitely, and it also addresses one key area of concern that contractors have with AWP, which is the cost of the planners. So using a tool like on-build will help to reduce the amount of planners that are needed to execute the work.
As always, thank you, Andrew. And also, thank you very much for joining us. That's all we have for today.